cocoa eyes, even got a big sister by the name of Chocotah. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave.
Hello sweeties, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a Donmily unit that they sent over. This is a 22-inch T-part wig. It has some goldy highlights in it. It just comes with a headband, lashes, a wig cap, and this is the hair. As you can see, those brownie gold sort of streaks in it. It's really pretty. The body wave is definitely there. You get the T part, as you can see. You get 2 combs in the front, the adjustable straps, a comb in the back, and a little lace to lay down if you choose to. Okay, babes, so I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.